With Halloween just around the corner, I decided I'd make myself some creepy tombstone-shaped bookmarks to use while I'm reading all of the horror novels that Mom and I just unearthed from our attics and closets. I'm Michelle, this is my romantic tangle, and keep watching if you want to see how to make these for yourself with some supplies I found at the Dollar Tree. I started with these magnetic cross-shaped bookmarks that I picked up in the stationery section. I roughed them up with sandpaper so they wouldn't be quite so glossy because I didn't know if that would keep the paint from sticking. This hinge is cardboard from the front, so you want to make sure that you leave that intact. And I painted them black with some Craftwise chalk paint that I found at the Dollar Tree along with everything else. I let the black paint dry overnight, and then I actually procrastinated for another day or two, like I sometimes do. Then I took some white paint, it's just the cheap acrylic from the craft store, and painted on the details. If I was a more skilled painter or had a finer tipped paintbrush, I might have got the details a little more precise, but I think they'll be fun to use as bookmarks while I'm counting down to Halloween night. Thanks for watching. I'm Michelle, and this is my romantic tangle.